Today, I'd like to teach you how to find the percent compositions of sodium, bromine, and oxygen in NaBrO. Shirts on sale below. Help support us. Anyway, this is also known as sodium hypobromite. I've created a nice little table to help us through this process. First step is going to be to find the total mass, and then we're going to find those percents. Easy peasy. Bam. So the first step is to write the elements down that we see. So we got sodium, we got bromine, and we got oxygen. Then is to write the number of atoms of each, and that's where the subscripts come into play. Now, if you don't see a subscript down there, just put a 1 in there. It's assumed to be 1, so we got 1 sodium, 1 bromine, 1 oxygen. Then we're simply going to multiply those number of atoms by the mass of each element, and that's where the periodic table comes into play. So sodium's mass is 22.99, bromine is 79.9, and oxygen is 16. So those are the masses we are going to write down. So this is 22.99, bromine is going to be 79.90, and then oxygen was 16, right? All right, be helpful if I could remember. Now write the total mass of the element by just simply multiplying this row and across. So the total mass of sodium is going to be 22.99, bromine is going to be 79.90, and oxygen is 16. That math was easy, and this math, don't multiply it. This math is going to be just as easy. Just simply add this column up to find the total mass of the compound. So this is 118.89. And that was the first step of the process, right? To find the total mass of the compound. Now that we found the total mass, we're going to add a column to the table to help us find those percentages. Bam. So to find the mass percent of sodium, we're going to simply take the total mass of that sodium, 22.99, divided by then the total mass of the compound. Hence why we had to do that first. Then we're going to multiply it by 100 to get it into percentage terms, and it's simply going to be 19.34%. Easy enough, right? Same thing now we're going to do to bromine. Take the total mass of the bromine, so you're only looking at this column now. That's how the table will help you. And you can use this table for any problem you like. So 79.90 divided by 118.89, and then multiply that by 100. And we're simply, and that should be an 89 up there, I just realized. Okay, good. Well, yeah, good enough. And this is going to be 67.20. And then last but not least, we're simply going to take the total mass of the oxygen, divided by the total mass of the entire compound, multiply that by 100, and we're going to get 13.46% now. And that's it. You can always check yourself by adding this column together, and that's what you should obtain. And not only will you obtain that here when you add this together, but I also want you to obtain that on your next test. Check out our channel. We got thousands of solved solutions out there, thousands of problems, not only in chemistry, physics, and mathematics as well. We really love to help you succeed. All right, take a look. We'll see you soon. NaBrO.